what I want to do via YouTube is not, as I say, teach, it's share and explore together. So if that is something that resonates with you, then subscribe and join hopefully what will become a community of people interested in life. Good gal. How are you doing? Yeah. I know what you want. Chip. Good gal. Yeah, well done. Good gal, darling. Well done. Yeah. I'm just sitting here thinking about this whole YouTube thing and what it is. Like, what am I doing with this YouTube thing? Because it's become something different to what I intended it to be, I think, or what I had ideas of what it would be. I think I started very much just to show yoga poses. I did that years ago, years and years and years ago. Probably 5, 6 years ago, I shared a lot of yoga practices and things, and then not much for a long time, and then I started sharing again a little bit, a few practices, and then I had this idea that I wanted to show that yoga is more than just physical practices, more than asana. It's a way of living, and I wanted to show my way of living, which is as much... Sorry, she is... Jippy. Good gal. Good gal. That's it, good gal. Yeah, my way of living, which I try to keep in line with a yogic way of living. But it's become much deeper than I think I anticipated it being, and I found like a sense of community here and a real sense of sharing. And I share a lot. I'm very open. Gypsy. I share a lot with close friends. We really have deep conversations about life, about the things which we all think about, but our culture makes no kind of space for. You know, what does life mean? Who am I? You know, all the deep questions, the nature of reality. I'm used to having those kinds of conversations with friends, and I have them whenever I get the opportunity to, because that's the kind of interactions that I really value. And I'm beginning to understand, I think, that YouTube is a way of having these conversations on a much larger scale with look at this. She's only after me for my treats. But yeah, being able to share on this kind of scale, and yeah, I'm not here to particularly be maybe a teacher. I'm here to share what I have learned at this stage in my life, a 43-year-old woman. So, you know, reaching the halfway point. hopefully, fingers crossed, that I'm not way over the halfway point. But yeah, just sharing Gypsy, just sharing what I have learned and starting conversations, hopefully, and getting responses back from people, because, you know, what I want to do via YouTube is not, as I say, teach, it's share and explore together. So if that is something that resonates with you, then subscribe and join, hopefully, what will become a community of people interested in life. And yeah, hit the like button, all that jazz. But yeah, it would be great to connect and share in this way. So if you resonate, then join me. Right, I have a women's circle now online, so I've got to go. Have a lovely day, people. Take care.